Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer diet plan for quick weight loss. Now this particular diet plan is to cool your body and to detoxify it in summers, as you can very easily lose weight in summers. With the help of this diet plan, you can easily lose 5 kgs in 10 days super effectively. So recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for quick weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations in just 10 to 15 days. And so can you with personalized weight loss diet plans from Dietitian Sheena. You can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with summer diet plan for quick weight loss. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with soaked saunf in 2 cups of water. So all you have to do is soak 2 teaspoons of saunf overnight in 1 glass of water. Have it in the morning sip by sip. You do not have to boil it, but if you wish to, you can always boil it. Why saunf water? Because it helps in inflammation in the body. It reduces your blood pressure and also purifies your blood and skin. It is a great fix for bloating and gas and also improves the digestion to a very great level. So proceeding towards our breakfast, for which I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is my personal favorite in summers, which helps me to cool my body down and to prevent any kind of inflammation in the body. That is Jaw Sattu drink. Now Sattu acts as an antacid and diuretic at the same point. It helps you relieve from digestive problems and also is great source of nutrients like dietary fiber, calcium, iron, protein, magnesium, and helps you purify your blood as well. So we'll be having Jaw Sattu in our breakfast. To prepare it, all you have to do is mix 2 teaspoons of Jaw Sattu in 1 glass of water. Mix it well. You can even blend it out, and along with this you can add some mint leaves or 1 lemon squeezed for taste. No salt to be added at all. This also helps detoxify very quickly. Proceeding towards our second breakfast option for quick weight loss will be mango raita or anar raita. Now mango is again seasonally available in summers. You can always have mango for weight loss. It works great. All you have to do is chop 1 mango, add it to 1 full bowl of curd, mix it well and have it for your breakfast. Trust me, this is one of the most amazing options for weight loss and also to satisfy your sugar cravings this summer season. You can always blend it and prepare it in a smoothie form as well if you want it to be quick. Third option will be fresh fruit smoothie. Now the recipe for my smoothie bowl is strawberry smoothie. Now I have a full bowl of fresh strawberries. I got them from a farm. They're all organic. Now all you have to do is just in a blender add 6 to 7 strawberries. With this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi. Now I am using here curd or dahi made of fat-free milk. So you can use any dahi, it's okay. And add some water for the consistency. Just blend. You can see the gorgeous color of the smoothie. It is so good. I like to add some fresh strawberries over it and some chia seeds for the fiber intake. I love having it for my breakfast. It is so fuller and keeps me hydrated and as well as to fill up all the fruits in my body in the morning itself. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which will be my personal favorite in summers, which is goond katira. So how do we prepare goond katira? All you have to do is soak 1 tablespoon of goond katira in water overnight. It is fluffed up in the morning itself and all you have to do is prepare 1 glass of lemon water. Squeeze 1 lemon in chilled water and put goond katira over this. What will it do? So what are the benefits of goond katira? Goond is basically for energy. It helps you retrieve all the energy of your body and at the same time treats your constipation. Great for lactating mothers also. Improves blood circulation in the body and it is very good for weight loss. Have it for your mid-morning snack and you will love having it each and every day for the rest of your summers. That is my promise to you. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual 15 minutes before our lunch or 30 minutes before our lunch, we'll be having apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water to prevent any kind of insulin spikes, blood sugar levels hike or digestive issues in the body. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one is my personal favorite in summers, that is dahi rice. All you have to do is, in cooked rice, add 1 tablespoon of big scoop of dahi. To this, you will be even adding some tadka over it. Mix it well and have it for your lunch. You can preferably have brown rice, if not possible then white rice, but limit the quantity of it to approximately 100 grams of cooked rice only. Second option will be Mexican salad. Now I have a complete recipe for Mexican salad here. Have it for your lunch for this summer season. Very fulfilling, very nutritious and high in fiber as well. Third option will be sandwich. Grilled veggie sandwich, protein sandwich, spinach and corn sandwich. All the recipes are here. Veggie grilled sandwich. My personal favorite. Leading towards our mid-evening snack, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one can be, if you're a tea or coffee lover, then you can always have tea or coffee but without sugar. You can always have black coffee or black tea or iced coffee or iced tea, but always without sugar. Second option can be, for mid-evening snack, a homemade popsicle. All you have to do is, in a container, simply freeze any favorite drink of yours. So my personal favorite is lemon water. You can always freeze prepared shikanji, aam panna, jaljeera, whatever is your personal favorite. You can freeze it out and prepare it in ice cream form. Tastes yum and gives you the feeling of having an ice cream but without any bad calories to this. Proceeding towards our dinner, which will be very light again for summers. Bowl of watermelon you can have papaya, pineapple, melon, or even prepare a fruit smoothie out of these. You can even have mango oat smoothie or mango curd smoothie if you like it for your dinner. But we'll not be having anything else instead of these options for dinner if you want to see a number going lower the next morning on the scale. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to give you hydration and to remove toxins from your body very quickly. With the help of this plan, you'll be able to lose 5 kgs in 10 days super easily, as it is a very low calorie diet plan and helps you detoxify as well. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin your weight loss journey. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meals or diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More for upcoming videos, diet plans, recipes, weight loss tips and tricks. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.